those in favor of the motion of Senator Cayetano, please raise your hands.
Karma's got a thing for me. We hold hands, make plans, keep the receipts. Karma, she's my best friend. One step closer, here's how it ends. Karma's got a thing for me. You see, you'll be digging up 6 feet. Karma's never let me down. My smile will cue when I cut you out.
All those against the motion of Senator Judge Cayetano, please raise your hand.
It's karma.
Alam naman nating lahat, hindi accountability ito. Tungkol ito sa pagpigil kay VP Inday Sara para sa 2028. Huwag na tayo mag-production number. Yan ang gustong puntiryahin. Hindi tanga ang Pilipino. Alam natin ang motibo at tunay na pakay ng mga lulong sa ambisyon at kapangyarihan. Maraming salamat po.
Karma's got a thing for me.